Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwege bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo Water Engineering ase ensema ya Computing and Informatics ngwege bale ICT Operator, ICT Technician, Computer Packages, Cyber Security na wigo na Network System Administration ase ensema ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering ngwege bale Electrical Installation na wigo Electrical Engineering ase ensema ya Cosmetology ngwege bale Hairdressing wigo mbabwate Fashion Design ase Hospitality and Tourism ngwege bale Food Production yani Cookery na wigo Food and Beverage Production wigo mbabwate course ya Driving kocha sabali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Asa Maria Tengoro James Barare Nyakundi principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College eyego toka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school ya class 8 wose form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isiko ekiagera bone gase Kitutu Masaba ndobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwego bali loan cyogo soma wetera HELB Higher Education Loans Board nekibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school golendagera na gwakanese nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications kirororo n'ababunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende getangania atabire mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba go ikawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na application sinchigendereta
asamange yabo okubatalira ase school yiga kosi obakirisi migutira sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kosi 0782490068.
Wairire vya mwancho murigiriro Getembe TV ritukori ya Jumamosi tariki 24 karibu sana sekionga chinsa inye chabono maragova kuro asebi manyirire na Reveni Nyabuke nenche koro Matilda Obaiwe karanso iketunyara ko yasanga asinchira enye kirano keima chizemo cha Facebook na bwigo YouTube ngo tubwatia buna Getembe TV na ne kiro tugochaka kuro ase county ya Nyamira nigo bono kiro chikanisa ochi ya Adventista igati yere ya New Life SDA maragova ya rero chanyara hose banyara gusangirekana ase kanisa yaria kumba SDA eyo gotoka me ye ward ya Gesima na enchiremo yoko ena na masabona bwigo kobeka koira magombabo ase enka ya nyagosira Ezra Mumanyi oyo sire bugema bwae agatiga abana abake na chinga kicho nigo omo wakilishi wabangena kurase county ya Nyamira boskejerusha Mumanyi na iranyara kubwaterana usanyara gusanga n'abashirika abo nabwigo chinga kicho anyara kubwatoka igikuro na basaye banyare gusaberwa elinde betange kurase obutumiki wa maliogo yogotindia.
Aba Kristo kurase chikanisa aho chegi Adventista nigo imagoroba ya rero basangirikana ase kanisa ya Riakumba SDA abwase baba bakobeka amasabo maiga yogosiria obogima bwaye Ezra Mumanyi
because I know him as amatera na ndi ntu agambita sesimi nkamanya nkumumerande bono nabona aboranga na nchenche aso gusema ote bapole na gurwa masaba senkeyega abana banyasati ambate biga ubogimo bono bwenge life is short and so uncertain. And today is the day you have. You don't have another day. It doesn't matter how healthy you may feel you are, but once death knocks at the door, you can't escape. We all of us live today because of the grace of God and for His mercy.
Aiga nigo chikanisa aho chianyora ribaga chokotera amatera aho ayuyokoreta oboremu. Ase omoyega oyoiga bwa masabo nigo boigo oikeranwa n'umuwakilishi bwa bangina imeye kaunti ya Nyamira omuskeche rusha mumanyi oyonere ubwatoka amagombaye anene gucyase iyamateye iga bakirwekeranye kyo ekeroro
igo nasogete gocha omochio yo besira tato mwa besira no yo mwa my father in law into bagambio bombwate tina batebe tigukoruseito ngona atita ngona gokina bakaroranga 19 imbwate ke wime yane bagankinia bakabuna na ikereire iga eke weke na kinaende konya twarorire ime ya Esira nigachire estaya ituna konya twarorire ase kenyorek nabo igekaro kurigereria nigarenge star ye nation ya ito ya Kenya ore amaligali mwarerire onsira na sabana balia elinda abana bali bakine abana bali bachekoleta enyote eri ya Esira konyora yarorekanire
chingaki echecho nigo omuskeche rusha mumanyi aira ribagerio na koboria ekanisa kwaira ribagariabo asogosabirania ekegori ekegeke anene abo abange babo barorekanire kubwatiraniwa amo nobotumekio bobe bwa mariogo atanjeiri egento gekubeka amagimabo ase akongu
abasaba kentubwati abasaba kempayo na bali batira se kanisa saitani uchakire kubabwati gochio bana nigo bakunywa marua bakunchinya sore they don't even know what they have families some do not even want to marry asengento saitani aikire atagete gotoura generation gete ngona ari kubasorora abantu baminto bekanisa balise na mwacha statistics yakolirwe yaikerenga bake kanisa imebono abantu bachire kugwinda wale watoto wetu ambao wako ndani ya kanisa iko kamuranje tulendane tusabirane tuitane ikiagera depression yeresa abana baita abandi bakwengenta gender based violence in our communities is very high umuntu agweito itana abana baye mna balitware gutindeka igoro na matukande
Kinko reporter getembe koroiga se kanisa igi Adventista yari yakumba yegotoka imeye wodi ya gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba kaunti ya Nyamira nje Fatigad Desemba
Wanche umurigire aboroke wawetania chimisano bagose grade ge 10 abokonyora abataraswa asechi skuru kubwatikana no bolemero cross ebunge ya Kitutu chache no temeye kaunti ya Kisii nigobono mugasorero banyara konyoro mweso magega yoko bwatokirwa obokonyi no mujumbe bwensemo eyo moskeja fete nyakundi ka uko na chinga kecho nigobono nyara kuba bolia banyara komenta umokia na boigo gotebuna nigo nere agende tugwetu mukema kone kibuna abana banyara konyora masomo ali abwene tumuriketo Daniel Ontiri na Robotioro
Ogoikirana kwayo mugasorero azichiabisi chikegancha kya NGCDF asensemo ya marani asomoroberio bogosira na gwakana school fees asaborokwa be grade ge 10 abo oikalero bakwameta se chinka kobwatekana no bolemerwa we school fees nigokwairania ogosemeria asaborokwa na kwegereria umurero wa masomo asibirengererio byaborokwa gwetania chimisano abo abange babo boigo bale no muibolio yomo negatiabo chintakana
nari Jumatatu bararipoti
asomoroberio iga okorwa kurwa chinsa inye chamambia wika emagoroba yeri tukulia lero kero morokwa nigategererwa na magaye kogolerwa kerekemo boigo ne school fees
vile mmeandika hapa mimi I'll see how to negotiate with the school negotiate na shule tuone kama nyinyi tuwaeke kwa program yetu ya kusomesha lakini wazazi pia wanatusaidia kulipa kidogo mimi nalipa kidogo na wale watu reduce fee Kama wanalipisha 53 mwaka mzima, waturudishie hata 40. Si ndio? Sababu si ni shule zetu hapa. Waturudishie ikuje 40 na mimi nione vile ninawa support to make sure mmesoma mmaliza shule.
Gukwa na chinga kicho Nyakundi niko boigo abasigeta kokoromokia samasomo asekiribuna na aroka arabakonye gocha gwetenera samatukale bosio.
I don't want anybody to disappoint me because I am ready to support you, but if you disappoint me by not working hard, mimi nawachana na wewe na kutoa kwa program yangu ya masomo. Sio ni sawa? Tunaelewana hivyo, si ndio? Wewe ukikataa kutia bidii, mimi nawachana na wewe.
Asense mwende aboibuli babo niko bagokera egetambo kireke ikibateba giacha chinga kya bange babo konye basire gosemeria na borukigwa babo.
Umwana n'umuchokoro bo muiseke mamu mwabasirete ntato mwaboro lakini nereta bwatinguru chindi igorende kuru umwana akorete kereti na ni yinje tomanyanta nere kuru umwana ujatige tukabwato umwaka oyo twabeire nere igoboka munakorete kianda guchikumi bono rinde inabwate bakonyi bonde bwensia mane twabuka mambi twikasa moja ama no tokonyire umwana niriru bachi kuikurukenya nyasa untumiru umusamariti kanya sa musiseni gaki umwana nentakana inje bitore nere gaki
abana barenge gari batabwate school fees uniform babwate bikoro tombabwate abana bonsi naba support kende ngeyo mwibori arenge koru umujumba enko teyo mwibori gendo sibyo mwana manda toke skuru amaina nyasaye nanyakora mujumba okoraga siga
yani nabeire no magoko nyigwete yani tinye igweti munanye igwete ekiagera umuchumbo itoto koreira mangana manene amaene mpaka tugusinyuko kwana otebiro mwana agende sukuru itibo boys
Aselio gelimo nigo borokia okogokyo kwabo inse y'Uburayi bw'umujumbo iga okitutu cha North Musike Jafeth Nyakundi umujumbe orekanire kubeka amaganio y'abamenyi bosio na manasa magendero na samasomo nkuriboterega taseni kya gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii litrene nguruko Daniel Untiri
Wanzo murigere gutigana nayo hegati ya barai bekia magia ODM kora rubongo rwa Nyanza niko bakora wano Musike we umurai bekia mekyo Musike Oburu Odinga niko bono banyara gukora umusangiririkano ase county ya Kisumu erio gukwanera enchira ekia mekyo kirachiko gendererwa ase amatuko alebosio negati yabo banyara gusanga ebirengere au na asinchire kubwatia.
There are a few people who are still doubtful if this movement is moving. Daktari has enough space for you. Come and join this movement under the stewardship of Dr. Oburu Odinga, and you will move to Canaan through Singapore.
We say a very big thank you to His Excellency the President for considering appointing Her Excellency Dr. Aida Betty Odinga as the ambassador and permanent representatives to UNEP. It is a good gesture for which we are grateful. And as a people, we have made a decision that our leader as a community and the leader of our party, Dr. Oburu Oginga, should now move forward with the intention to negotiate with UDA as we move forward, and we will take this decision as a party. It will not end here. The consultations will continue tomorrow in Kisii. We will go after that to all the 6 counties of the coast. We will go after that to Kajiado, Narok, Samburu. We will go after that to Turkana. We will cover Nairobi, all our bases. And after that, we shall have a special NDC. Our ED Oduorongwen is here, where this decision will be endorsed. Hakuna decision itachukuliwa kutoka kwa dirisha. Chama iko na structures, and the decisions will be made through the relevant party structures. And once they are approved, there will be no reverse gear.
How many of you support what Dr. Oburu Odinga is doing? How many of you? How many of you? All of us, one day as a community, we must support Dr. Oburu Odinga together with the leadership. The ideals of this party recognize that we go to the next phase, that we work with like-minded leaders, that we work with President Ruto to the next level, but we leave the party organ to ensure that the details of that relationship is worked in a document that will see us to the next level.
Let us not reduce Daktari Oginga to the leader of the Luo at the expense of the 10 million supporters of the ODM party. Let us also give Dr. Oburu the confidence and mandate to go and mobilize and to go and secure the bases that Raila Amolo Odinga had secured. Our strength for us to get the National Treasury, for us to get the Ministry of Energy, it will be dictated by the number of MPs we have, by the number of governors we have, by the number of MCAs we have, not by the level of noise that we are making. So let us go back to the trenches. Let us take this gospel to Western. Let us take this gospel to the coast, to Wajir, to Turukana, so that ODM can dominate the Council of Governors, ODM can produce the Speaker of Parliament, ODM can have more MPs, and ODM can fight and ensure that we continue running the treasury, we continue running electricity, we continue.
Nase kiamekio gia ODM engusana no as kiamekio nigo egenderete kwenekiwa asorugongo rwa Western Kenya anemuno asia bobote ni bali bako moko buko mwaziri webyombe na bwigo bonchorere oboke umuske Wycliffe Oparanya ukwana chingaki echo nigo abarai abo bono ba momochiri murai wekiama kia ODM umuske Oburu Odinga asebono bakotebuna igati bitambukiro aberega kwimukia niko bono bitari kugokia abamenyi borogongo rwa Western Kenya.
Chama ya ODM lazima tukubali iko shida na uongozi paka ukai chini uache urongo. Sisi tukiwa tumesimama hapa tumekuwa kwa chama ya ODM kwa muda mrefu. Sisi tumepigia Raila Amolo Odinga kura kwa muda mrefu. Uwezi kuja mkutano kama huu utangaze Nabii na Bwire, alafu ruke uende hapo Kakamega utangaze Barasa. Unafanya nani mjinga wewe?
Na mimi nataka niambie Oburu Odinga. Oburu Odinga, I want to tell you 3 things. Number 1, we were very loyal to Raila Amolo Odinga. But please, he worked for our loyalty. He respected our loyalty. But please note, our loyalty is not transferable.
Na sisi tutakaa katika ODM. Lakini nikiona yale inaendelea kwa ODM, na mimi nimekuwa karibu sana na mheshimiwa marehemu Raila Amolo Odinga, na usinika sana nikiona wale mambo ya pesa imeharibu viongozi. Viongozi anaenda hapa anaongea jambo lingine, akisoka hapa kwa sababu amepewa pesa, kichwa imechanganyika.
Wancho murigire sengane yo tokogenda mutimo komoke kolendito basagoska kiagere kionga chinsa enye gegenderete chinga kichiga chabono marugo ritko ria Jumamosi kenda kubwatia Getembe TV tusoye ase tituka akeyo.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world. Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory, and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus. Top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Kila nafsi na ita
ugukwa kwarariwe gwa umongina Sabina Nyaboke Sungura tojene kuraria ugukwa kwa ine nuganeti konyora gisemi chingi ya chekerero liatirimba Technical and Vocation College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January iyogenderete nigo bakuru wa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Samarieta ngo kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase skulu ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase college ya Tirimba Technical Vocational College is located as Nyaliwari Masaba constituency, ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi tubate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekwarama itenga abayibuli baito gotwara baro bwaba asengenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips ejie kuba funding kuruase serikali pamoja na funding kuruase High Education Loans Board. Elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukia kwirari bageri asengenjo yo kwaligania abasaye baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskiri ekira abakonye isikalia. Nwali intake intogenderete karibu.
Intake ya January nigo egenderete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase website www.riatirimba.tvc.ac.ke. Riatirimba Technical and Vocation College, scaling heights of technology.
Karibu sana na indo mwancho murigire kero tugerenerete ni kionga chinsenye chabono maragoba na korwa serikali nene na ndi asabangana siasa ni gobono uyu kabiri mo konyu bo murai bwensi umukoro gose uyore murai bwe kiama kirigia DCP umusikiriga digashagwa anyara gusanga nabamenye be chinsemo chia county ya Kirinyaga ritukoria rero chinga kiecho nigo anyara kubabore abona banyare kumubwatisia anamuno asogoswa imeke amakirigia DCP una nakyo kirabaye obosibore nabo igo wetere kyamekyo abamenya bange kura chinsemecho mbenyorere aliyo baganeti gusembenyorere oburai obia.
Chama yetu ni chama ya heshima na ya amani. Sisi hapana chama ya kelele. Wewe kama ni mjumbe usimame useme mambo yako. Kama wewe hupendi yeye, nyamaza. Yule unapenda akipewa nafasi umshangilie na unyamaze. Na yule mtu yote anataka kiti hapa ambaye wafuasi wake watapigia mwingine kelele, tutafukuza yeye kwa chama ya DCP. Mimi niseme mkinipatia nafasi nikuwe rais wa 6 wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Kazi ya kwanza hapa Mutira ni kulipa madeni yote ya wakulima ya kahawa wakuwe free waendelee na kazi yao. Number 2 ni kuregesha kazi ilifanywa na Mwai Kibaki, masomo ya primary school ikuwe ya bila malipo. Kazi ya 3 day secondary school iendwe bila malipo. Nitapiga marufuku mnyama anaitwa SHA, niregeshe NHIF. Jambo la 6, hii maneno ya affordable housing, hakuna mtu hana nyumba kwake. Hapa Kagumo kila mtu wako na nyumba yake. Hizo manyumba hatutaki. Kwa hivyo mimi nikiwa rais, hiyo mpango ya affordable housing nitaipiga marufuku. Hizo manyumba nipatie county government ikodishe, irudishie watu pesa yao ile walikatwa. Kazi ya 7, wafanyikazi wa serikali, wafanyikazi wa private, payslip yao imehangaishwa. I'll restore the dignity of the payslip. Hii mshahara watu wanakatwa nitasimamisha ndio mtu apate pesa ya kumsaidia. Number 5, wale askari walipiga vijana wetu wa Gen Z watakamatwa wote na waende kotini.
Ulikuja hapa ukatudanganya, lakini tumwambie you can fool some people sometime, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Kwa sababu ya kuagiza mchele kutoka nje. Sisi tunasema wakulima wa mchele wapewe nafasi walime na wauze mchele yao. Ni kweli si kweli?
Kama hangekuwa Rigiji, leo William Ruto hangekuwa president. Mimi nilikuwa secretary general wa chama cha Kasongo. Yeye aliamua adhulumu na amalize watu wote ambao walimfanya kakuwa rais. Anataka Gen Z wa kompensetiwe. Sasa badala ya William Ruto kupatia wale familia za wale Gen Z, ameamua aanze kupeana kazi na kununua ODM. Tunavyoongea sasa hivi ODM
na oyore omoriki we wizara y'uburende boime Moske Raymond Omolo ni gobono anyari kwegerera imirobero ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yukorawa no Moske William Ruto. Raymond Omolo nigo anyari kwerabuna nigo serikali yiga yabereke wikiranie hagati yechira chinyinge kuwa mono ase amangana y'uburendi nabo igo ase obukoreri wetera chi wizara au asense.
So kuna mambo mingi tumejaribu kufanya sasa kwa zaidi ya miaka 3 tangu Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto achukue usukani. Na hivi majuzi alikuwa hapa Mogotio na mheshimiwa wenyu wamezungumzia mpango zote zenye alikujia za maendeleo. Mojawapo ilikuwa hii shule iko hapa. Lakini kupitia kwa uongozi wake, mimi kama katibu ambaye anasimamia mambo ya usalama, nataka nipongeze hawa viongozi na wakaaji wa hapa Mogotio na Baringo na hii eneo yote ya Rift Valley, kwa sababu tumefanya kwa ukaribu kupigana na mambo ya banditry ama mambo ya kuiba mifugo. Na kwa sasa, kwa mara ya kwanza tangu hii dunia iumbwe, viongozi wenyewe na wananchi wenyewe wanasema tumekuwa na utulivu katika eneo bonde la Ufa, na ningewahimiza tuzidi kushirikiana ili wakaaji wa Baringo, wakaaji wa North Rift wao wanaweza kufanya mambo yao kama Wakenya wengine. Watoto wetu wapate kuenda mashule, watu wa kufanya biashara wafanye biashara yao, watu wa kuchunga mifugo wao wanaweza kufanya mambo yao bila kutatizwa na mtu yeyote. So na katika hiyo harakati ya kuimarisha mambo ya usalama, kuna mambo ya administrative units. And for the young people, His Excellency the President has a solid plan on addressing the challenge of unemployment. Juzi tulikuwa Meru kwa program ya Nyota. Before that tulikuwa Nairobi hapo Kasarani. Pia President alikuwa hapa Nakuru. Na karibu tutaweka ama tutapatia vijana zaidi ya 121,000.
Ase kionga chigosori ni gobono etimu eri ya Shabana ya Nyarako chiesa ni timu ya APS Bomet ase giti ekemo kose egeti ya APS Bomet me ye county ya Bomet nigo bono ase kemina nekyo ni gobono timu ya Shabana na bwigo timu ya APS Bomet banyarako genda ambakari ase chigori isato na bwigo etimu ya Shabana ni gobono ere namba isato ase ebwate chipointe 25 na isato na omurikito owaima agotumanya
ase engoyo ya SportPesa eyere eligi nene ya Kenya Premier League Shabana amo na APS Bomet echo chire chitimu ase engoyo eyo nigo bagosoria engoyo eyo yarorokana koba engoyo engiya ase geti kia Kericho Green Stadium ekyo kere enga ya APS Bomet engoyo eyo nigo yaera makari ase chitimu chonsi ibere chabekana chigori isato.
Watu wa APS Bomet tuko na Shabana FC tumemake peace, ball imechezwa, kitu mafans inafaa wajue football unites people not separate people. Alafu kitu tunaweza ongeza kwa side ya APS communication kidogo kwa goalkeeping, midfield na defenders. Shabana pia mkipata nafasi kama hiyo bao imekuwa hizo bao mbili zinakuja za mwisho ijafurahisha
Holiday way from Ruakapeta Wangige. Imagine nimefika mpaka hapa Kericho. Yaani nilikuwa na matumaini 100%. Haka katimu ya APS kazi yao ni hivi. Tutakafinya, tutakanyoroza. Lakini I wonderful. Roho yangu inatunda vibaya sana. Yaani roho ilikuwa maji ilikuwa lakini saa hii imetaramuka. Sijui kama itarudi. Yaani tuko tili imagine one. Watoke holiday way mpaka tumeenda tuno. Sasa hii ni nini my friends?
Peter Okidi oyore ekochi enene ya Shabana nigate babuna etaro ya engoye yo tebe timbe mono egekogera buna mbanyore point yemo ni chigori isato echo chiaba chinyinge ase timu
tumepeana easy goals. So for us tunasema tumepoteza point mbili, drop points, tumekuwa away, drop points. But the positive thing ni kwamba I think the momentum ya kutolose away bado, I think we'll just go ahead up on that. So just go and work on our mistakes. The good thing here to score goals, tumefunga more goals. But the bad thing ni kwamba tumeconcede goals. So for us we take it positively as much as imeuma, especially mashabiki wamekasirika. So mimi naweza wahimiza tu waendelee kusukuma tu. This football. Yeah, football is a game of errors. Football is a game of mistakes. You learn through mistakes. Except these mistakes, you will grow. So for us, we will grow with these ones, and we believe in our next match will come up victorious.
Coach nene ya APS Bomet bamuso nere oyo obekwa bwango iga ase timu eyo buna coach lero nainde orenge ko coach engoyo ya gatatu gesa abekwa nigata babuna tagokiri na egosori eyo ya lero nainde nagenderete kurigereria amagoso mono.
Lazima tutakaa chini na yeye yenye tuzungumze. Manake amekuja kufanya kazi yetu ikakuwa ngumu sana. Then makosa bado zinafanyika kwa defense. Ukiangalia hiyo bao ya pili Mazembe amewacha mpira na dunda mbele yake, then anaanza kufukuzana na ataka. Mpira haifai kudunda mbele yako wewe kama beki. Mpira ikikuwa juu na deal nayo. So hizo ndio makosa tumefanya na najua tutarekebisha. Kama mtu hawezi rekebisha atakuwa na kainje. Maana wale wachezaji wanatoka kwa bench sahihi. Ukiangalia game zote hata FC Leopards au ndio wanatushindia mechi. So kama nimekupatia nafasi na hujatumia utakaa nje.
Peter Okidi nere mukocho munene Shabana. Kuringana nere igatebirenga chigo risato amone point ya mu iya sangere kuruga iga Kericho Green Stadium chabeire amanufa manene kujase timu ya Shabana. Kuripoti Katembe kuru Kericho Green Stadium Jawai Cliff Tyson Manyara.
Mwanjo murigiria asengane yo kusikura ase chigosori na utogukorera kionga chinsa inye chabona umarago bagendera utigara ime ya Getembe TV kyagero murobelio o weekend jam kore tuorenere DJO ase chitagika chinge chirebusio tobose kusika kenda kubwatia Getembe TV chinga kichonsi onye gwetera ase mitandao yetu yekerero ngoroko Matilda ubaigwa twara oburigirio buyana boigo obutuko bore obotoherero kigima na boigo Veni Nyaboke nero koretera yega sebi manyererio Mike Wills Croatia studio ya Kavere.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world. Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Burabu Technical Training Institute iskuru jobo bundi yijesemi chekerero na magendero bakwili ya chisemo asinsemo ya Computing and Informatics Department mbabuate ICT Computer Programming Cyber Security Buiko Digital Animation and Media asinsemo ya Building and Civil Engineering Department mbabuate Plumbing Building Technology asinsemo ya Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department mbabuate Electrical Engineering Power Option Electronics Buiko Telecommunication asinsemo ya Institutional Management Department Nkurubari Fashion Design and Clothing Technology Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy insemo ya Health Science Department mbabuate Health Records IT na Community Health asinsemo ya Business Studies mbabuate Human Resource Business Management na Supply Chain.
Inche Samarita Dr. Were Momanyi, the Principal Burabu Technical Training Institute. Burabu Technical Training Institute igere Nyamira County, Kebirigo Market. Burabu Technical Institute igeko some abana nade kuru chikosi nyinge. Chikosi echi igachire chia magoko. Kose chitokoroka chiko abane skill egere gochimotu banyare gwekorera banyare konyora no negasi bagokoresa obwangu muibori onde bwensi ototegererete tobase gotiga omwana ng'abere isiko ng'oko bachibesa nchiyo ese institution yaito gose school yaito okoreta omwana oyo tomoapuraere tomobeke ase serikali aeguchibesa chie government scholarship gose capitation aeguchibesa kurwa ase serikali ese ensemo tokoruka help aeguchibesa chia CDF igo omwana oyo ekera eruchibesa ichionsi igemineti ng'a igagosoma bosa tobaise gotiga omwana oisiko ekiagera ng'a tobwatie ebesa morete nabo tokobwaterana omwana oyo anyora amasomo achigwekonya nanda achikubakonya.
Intake January 2026 nigo egenderete ilikirero bwenyori baga Burabu Technical Training Institute nigo bagutuka asebare kisi ikonge angeno muchoke brego asamange bakiresimi inuti isano ibere inuti isano ibere inye isano nemo ibere eyemo isano ibere isano nemo inye inuti isano ibere